Hello students, let's do algebraic expressions exercise 11C and we are doing multiplication. Page number 143, question 1, multiply. So here we have one monomial multiplied by another monomial. So we write this as 8ab square into minus 4a cubed and b to the power of 4. Now how do we do multiplication in algebra? First we multiply the numerical coefficients. What are the numerical coefficients? 8 and minus 4. So 8 into minus 4. So 8 into minus 4. So we multiply the numerical coefficients. Here it's understood it is plus. So plus into minus is minus. 8 fours are 32. So first we multiply the numerical coefficients. So we have got minus 32 there. Then we take the literals. So a, b square, these are literals. A cube, b to the power of 4, these are literals. So take the like literals. Like means both are a. Now here we have a and here it will be a to the power of 1. Okay, it's understood a to the power of 1. Take only the a's. So when you have literals that have the same coefficient a there, then you just have to add the powers. That is a to the power of 1 into a to the power of 3. So for multiplication, you have to add the power. So that is a to the power of 1 plus 3, which is a to the power of 4. So you multiply it into minus 32. So that becomes a to the power of 4. Now you take the b's. So here we have b to the power of 2 and here we have b to the power of 4. So b to the power of 2 into b to the power of 4 will be b to the power of 2 plus 4. For multiplication, we add up the powers. So this becomes b to the power of 6. And you put it here along with it, b to the power of 6. So all this is multiplication. So final answer is minus 32, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 6. So how do we do it? First we multiply the numerical coefficients. Then we multiply the literals. So when you multiply, remember you have to add the powers. So let's go on. Question 2. Multiply 2 by 3ab by minus 1 by 4a square b. So this will be 2 by 3ab into minus 1 by 4a square b. So first multiply the numerical coefficients, that is 2 by 3 into minus 1 by 4. So first look at the sign. So here we have plus, there we have minus. Plus into minus is minus. Now multiply the numbers 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. So here as you can see, it is multiplication here of fractions. So you know how multiplication of fractions is done? You can cancel. I can cancel 2 and 4. So I can cancel this by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what do I have? My numbers 1 into 1 is 1. So let me write it there 1, and in the denominator I have 3 twos. 3 into 2 is 6. So minus 1 by 6. So when I multiply the numbers, I get minus 1 by 6. Now I have to look at the literals, that is AB into a square b. So let's take that down here. AB into a square b. Now take only a here. I have 1 and 2 there. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then when I take b, I have 1 plus 1. It is 2. So what do I have? A to the power of 3 and b to the power of 2. So since it's multiplication, I write it down a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 2. So what is my final answer? My final answer is this, minus 1 by 6, a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 2. Question 3, let's write that down, minus 5 cd square. Multiply this by minus 5 cd square. So first let's take the numerical coefficient. So let's do it here itself. So numerical coefficients are minus 5 into minus 5. Minus into minus is plus. Then the numbers 5 5s are 25. Then let's take c. So here we have c, that is only to the power of 1. Here there's only 1 and here also there's only 1. So 1 plus 1 will make it c to the power of 2. Then here let's take d. We have d to the power of 2 and d to the power of 2. So d to the power of 2 plus 2 will make it d to the power of 4. So what's our final answer? 25c squared d to the power of 4. Question 4. Multiply 4a and 6a plus 7. So this is a monomial and this is a binomial. So we can do it the column-wise method or the row-wise method. Row-wise is what is used generally. So let me do that. 4a into 6a plus 7. Okay, so even if I don't put the multiplication sign before the bracket, if there is no sign, it's understood it is multiplication. So here when we multiply, we need to multiply 4a with each term inside the bracket. So this becomes 4a into 6a plus, so here what do we have here? 4a into 6a plus, now we are going to multiply 4a into 7. So that will be 4a into 7. So let's multiply this. So here we have 4a into 6a. First multiply the numerical coefficient. 4 into 6 is 24. So here we have 24. Then we have a to the power of 1 into a to the power of 1. a to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2. Plus, let's go to the next one. 4a into 7. Multiply the numerical coefficients. 4 into 7 is 28. And we have a. So this is 28a. So here you have 24a squared plus 28a. They are not like terms. So we cannot add them. So this is our answer. 24a squared plus 28a. Question 5. Multiply minus 8 and 4 minus 2x minus x squared. So that will again be minus 8x into this whole thing, that is 4 minus 2x minus x squared. So first we multiply minus 8x into 4 alone. So multiply the numerical coefficients, that is minus 8 into 4. So the signs, one is plus, one is minus. Minus into plus is minus. 8 fours are 32. And then we have x. Now multiply minus 8x into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. 8 twos are 16. X into x is x to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2, x squared. Now minus 8x into minus x squared. Signs first. So minus into minus is plus. Then we have the number 8. Then x into x to the power of 2, that is 1 plus 2. So x to the power of 3. So what is our final answer? Minus 32x plus 16x squared plus 8x cubed. So now we can do it directly. Since we have understood how to do this, we can do it directly like this and get to this answer. Question 6. Multiply 2a squared minus 5a minus 4 and minus 3a. So we can start by putting minus 3a in the beginning or at the end also. Now I have not put a sign, it's understood it is multiplication. 2a squared minus 5a minus 4. So here also we're going to start multiplying minus 3a into each term inside the bracket. Now go carefully. So first multiply the numerical coefficients. Minus 3 into 2. So minus into plus is minus. The numbers 3 into 2 is 6. Now a into a square. A is only 1. So a into a square is a to the power of 1 plus 2. So that is a to the power of 3. So that is over. Now we're going to multiply this into minus 5a. So minus into minus is plus. So first we write the plus sign. Now multiply the numbers. 3 5s are 15. Now a into a. That is a to the power of 1 plus 1. That is a to the power of 2. Now multiply this into the last one, that is minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. 3 4s are 12 and 3a has only one a, so that a will come there. So what's the final answer? Minus 6a to the power of 3 plus 15a to the power of 2 plus 12a. Question 7. Multiplication of a binomial by another binomial. So let's write the first one here, x plus 4, and we're going to multiply the second binomial, x minus 5. So how do we do this? We take the first term and multiply it with the first term inside the brackets. So let's do that first. X into x is x to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now take the same x and multiply it with the second term now. So that is plus into minus is minus. The number is 5 and we have x. So we finish multiplying with x. Now we have to multiply with 4. So we are taking this plus 4 and we are multiplying the first term with it. So plus, both are plus signs. So the sign will be plus. The number is 4. 4 into x is 4x. Now we are multiplying plus 4 into minus 5. Plus into minus is minus. 4 5s are 20. Now here we have x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. Here we have like terms. These two are like terms, so we can add or subtract these like terms. Okay, so let's do that. So here what do we have? X square as it is. Now how are we going to work this out? Minus 5x plus 4x, that is minus 5x plus 4x. Take only the numbers, so that will be in brackets only the numbers minus 5 plus 4x. So here signs are different. Remember, this part is not multiplication. This part is not multiplication. So minus 5 plus 4. Okay, when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Minus 1x, or you can simply write minus x. And what is left is minus 20. So what is our final answer? X square minus x minus 20. Question 8. So here also we have a binomial by a binomial multiplication. So we say 5a minus 1, this is the first one, into 7a minus 3. Now let's take each one separately. So 5a into 7a. So first what do? We multiply the numerical coefficients. 5 into 7 is 35. A into a is a to the power of 2. Now we take 5a and we multiply it with minus 3. So minus into plus is minus. 5 3s are 15 and we have a. So we finished with 5a. So now let's go on to minus 1. So let's multiply minus 1 with these. So first we multiply minus 1 into 7a. So minus into plus is minus, 1 into 7 is 7 and that is a. Then we multiply minus 1 into minus 3. So minus into minus is plus, 1 3s are 3. Now here again, if you look carefully, we have two like terms. So this we can solve. So here the first part will remain as it is. That is 35a square will remain as it is. Now here we have minus 15a minus 7a. This part is not multiplication. So minus and minus here, since the signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22a plus 3. So what's the final answer? 35a square minus 22a plus 3. Question 9. So here also let's take the binomial. So the first binomial is 12a plus 5b and multiply this by the second one, which is 7a minus b. So multiply the first one, 12a into 7a. This is the first one, 12a into 7a. So multiply the numbers first. 12 7s are 84. A into a is a to the power of 2. Now let's take 12a and multiply it by minus b. The sign will be minus. The number is 12. A into b is ab. So now that we finished with 12a, let's take this. So plus 5b into 7a. So plus into plus is plus. 5 7s are 35. B into a is ba or ab. It's the same. Next we're going to multiply 5b into minus b. Plus into minus is minus. The number is 5. B into b is b to the power of 2. Now again, here we have like terms. Look out for like terms and be careful about that. So the first term will remain as it is, 84a square. Now there we have minus 12ab plus 35ab. Take only the numbers, minus 12 plus 35. Signs are different. So we put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract 35 minus 12. That is 23. So here when we worked out the numbers, we got plus 23 and the literals are A, B. Now what is left is minus 5b square. So we have our answer 84a square plus 23ab minus 5b square. Here we have to multiply this trinomial by this binomial. So let's write the binomial first. 1 minus x into the trinomial x square plus x plus 1. Now we have to multiply 1 into every term here, into this whole thing. Okay, so when you multiply, you get the same thing back. 1 into x square. So first it is 1 into x square, then 1 into x and 1 into 1. So it's going to be the same thing, because when you multiply with 1, you get back the same thing. X square plus x plus 1. Now we finished with 1. Let's multiply with minus x into x square. So minus into plus is minus, x into x square is x to the power of 1 plus 2, which is 3. Now we multiply minus x into plus x. So minus into plus is minus, x into x is x to the power of 2. Then we multiply minus x into plus 1. So that's minus x into 1, which is minus x. Now the like terms, we have x square and minus x square. So let's write that x square minus x square. Then we have plus x here. So here we have plus x and we have minus x. So let's write that plus x and minus x. Then we have plus 1. So let's write plus 1. Then what else is left? We have a minus x to the power of 3. So minus x to the power of 3. Now let's work on the like term. So here we have x square minus x square, that is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so this gets cancelled. Then we have plus x minus x. Here also 1 minus 1 is 0, so this gets cancelled. So what is left is only this. So that is our answer. So what is our answer? 1 minus x to the power of 3. So this is our final answer, 1 minus x to the power of 3. So here we have a trinomial and a trinomial. We can write anything first. So we leave the first one as it is, 2m square minus 3m minus 1 into 4m square minus m minus 1. Now we're going to multiply the first one, that is first term of this into the first term of the other polynomial. So here we have 2 4s are 8, m square into m square is m to the power of 4. Now we're going to multiply 2m square with the next one, that is minus m. So here the sign is minus. So let's write that minus, the number is 2. M square into m is m to the power of 3. Now multiply 2m square with the last term, which is minus 1. The sign is minus. So, and 2 into 1 is 2m square. So we finished with 2m square. Now let's take minus 3m first with 4m square. So the sign is minus, 3 4s are 12, m into m square is m to the power of 3. Then we continue, minus 3m into minus m, minus into minus is plus, 3m is 3, m to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now multiply minus 3m into minus 1, minus into minus is plus, 3m into 1 is 3m. So we finished with minus 3m. Now let's take minus 1 and multiply each one inside. So minus 1 into 4m square, the sign is minus, the number 1 into 4 is 4, and that is m square. Now we multiply minus 1 into minus m. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into m is m. Multiply minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1. Now we're going to look for all the like terms. 8m to the power of 4. Now we don't have any other m to the power of 4. So let's write that. So this is 8m to the power of 4. Now we are looking for m to the power of 3. So here we have minus 2m to the power of 3, and here we have minus 12m to the power of 3. Let's write that. Minus 2m to the power of 3 and minus 12m to the power of 3. Now let's go on to m to the power of 2. So here we have minus 2m to the power of 2 plus 3m square and minus 4m square. So let's write all that. Minus 2m square plus 3m square minus 4m square. Then what do we have? We have plus 3m and plus m. So that will be plus 3m plus m. And then finally we have the number that is plus 1. Now we are going to work on the like terms. This will remain as it is. So let's write that. 8m to the power of 4. Let's work on the like terms. So here we have minus 2m cubed minus 12m cubed. So minus 2 minus 12. Signs are the same. So we put the same sign and we add 2 plus 12 is 14m cubed. Let's go to the next one. Minus 2m square plus 3m square. Signs are different. Now we have one more here. Minus 4m square. Now let's take all these numbers alone. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. I've taken only the m squares. Now work on the numbers which have the same sign, that is minus 2 and minus 4. When signs are the same, we put the same sign and we add 2 plus 4 is 6. Then we have plus 3m square. Now here signs are different. Put the sign the bigger number and subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3m square. So this is minus 3m square. Then we have plus 3m and plus m, which is 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this will be plus 4m, and what is left is a number plus 1. So we have our final answer here. 8m to the power of 4 minus 14m cubed minus 3m square plus 4m plus 1. Question 12. Multiply a square into ab into b square. So this is a simple one. All we have to write is a square into ab into b square. So here first let's take only the a's. So here we have 2 and then here we have 1. Remember, when you multiply you add up the powers. So 2 plus 1 is 3, a to the power of 3. Now let's take b. So b also, here we have 1 and there we have 2. So b to the power of 1 plus 2 is b to the power of 3. So what is our answer? Our answer is a cubed, b cubed. Question 13. Here again we have monomials and we are going to multiply these three monomials. So this will be abx into minus 3a square x into 7b square x cubed. So we can do this carefully. So here what we're going to do is we're first going to look at all the numbers. Remember, we have to multiply the numerical coefficients first. So here we don't have a number. So we can multiply minus 3 into 7. So first let's begin with that. Minus 3 into 7, the sign is minus, 3 sevens are 21. Now let's take only the literals one by one, each one. So here we have a, and that is to the power of 1. Now here we have a to the power of 2, and in the third term we don't have a. So a to the power of 1 plus 2. Okay, I'm going slow with this one. Then let's go on to b. So here we have b to the power of 1, and here again we have b to the power of 2. So that will be b to the power of 1 plus 2. So we finished with b. Now we'll go to x. So here we have x, that is to the power of 1. Here also we have x to the power of 1. Here we have x to the power of 3. So if I take x, it will be 1 plus 1 plus 3. So here let's try this. So this is minus 21. A to the power of 1 plus 2 is a to the power of 3. B to the power of 3 again. And x to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So our final answer is minus 21. A to the power of 3, b to the power of 3 and x to the power of 5. Question 14. There are three monomials here. We need to multiply all three. So this will be minus 3bx into minus 5xy into minus 7b cubed y square. So here what we are going to do is we're going to take only the numbers, okay, the numerical coefficients, and multiply that first. So let's put it all here. So minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 7. So I'm just putting the brackets so that you don't get mixed up with the multiplication sign. Now let's look only at the signs. So here we have minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So that is minus. Now let's multiply the numbers. 3 5s are 15 and 15 into 7 is 105. So here we have minus 105. Now let's start looking at the literals. So let's look at b here. So here we have 1b, here we don't have a b, and here we have 3, b to the power of 3. So that is, here we have 1 and here we have 3. So that will be b to the power of 1 plus 3, which is b to the power of 4. The next one is x. So here we have x to the power of 1. Here we have one more x to the power of 1. In the third term, we don't have an x. So that will be x to the power of 1 plus 1, which is x to the power of 2. Now going to the next one, here we have a y. So y to the power of 1, and here we have y to the power of 2. So this is 1 and here we have 2. So that will be y to the power of 1 plus 2, which is 3. So what is our final answer? Minus 105, b to the power of 4, x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2, and y to the power of 3. 15th one, here again we have fractions. Now let's multiply this carefully. So let's begin with first writing out the question properly. Minus 3 by 2, x to the power of 5, y cubed into 4 by 9, a square x cube and y. Now go very slowly. Now first let's take only the numbers. That is minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 9. Now these are fraction multiplication. So you can cancel. I can cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. I can cancel 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So what do I have here? Remember the minus sign, don't forget. Minus 2 in the numerator, denominator 3. So the number is minus 2 by 3. Now let's take x here. Here we have x to the power of 5 here, and here we have x to the power of 3. So that will be x to the power of 5 plus 3, which is x to the power of 8. Then we have y to the power of 3 and y here to the power of 1. So that will be y to the power of 3 plus 1, which is 4. Then I have a square. So that will be a to the power of 2. So now this I can rearrange and write minus 2 by 3. Putting a first, alphabetical order, a square, x to the power of 8 and y to the power of 4. This is my final answer. Question 16. Again, let's multiply this carefully. We have minus 2 by 3, a to the power of 7, b to the power of 2 into minus 9 by 4, a, b to the power of 5. So first let's take the numbers. We have minus 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 4. Minus into minus is plus. Now here also we can cancel the fractions. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So multiply the numerators. 1 threes are 3, denominator 1 twos are 2. So what do we have here? 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2. Now let's look at the a. Here we have a to the power of 7 and here a to the power of 1. A to the power of 7 into that will be a to the power of 7 plus 1, which is 8. Then here we have b to the power of 2 into b to the power of 5. That will be b to the power of 2 plus 5, that is 7. So we have our answer here, 3 by 2, a to the power of 8 and b to the power of 7. Question 17. Let's multiply these. As you can see, this is a binomial and this is a monomial. So let's put the monomial first. Minus 1 by 2ab square into 2a to the power of 3 minus 3a square b. So first we're going to multiply this into the first term. Let's write it down. Minus 1 by 2ab square into 2a cube. Now first the numbers, that is minus 1 by 2 into 2. Taking only the numbers, here the 2's will get cancelled. So what is left is only minus 1. So here minus 1. Let's look at the a's. There's one a here and a to the power of 3. So that will be a to the power of 1 plus 3, which is 4, and b is b to the power of 2. So instead of writing minus 1 a to the power of 4b square, we can say minus a to the power of 4 and b to the power of 2. So that's the first thing, minus a to the power of 4 and b to the power of 2. Now we're going to multiply this with a second term. So that is minus 1 by 2 ab square into minus 3 a square b. Now let's be very careful with this. So let's first multiply the signs. Minus into minus is plus. Now we're going to multiply the numbers 1 by 2 into 3. So let's do that here. 1 by 2 into 3. There's nothing to cancel. So we multiply the numerator, so it becomes 3 by 2. So this becomes 3 by 2. Look at the literals. A into a squared. So this is 1a and that is 2. So a to the power of 3. Now b square and b will be b to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 3. So this becomes plus 3 by 2 a cubed b cubed. So this is our final answer. Let's read it. Minus a to the power of 4b square plus 3 by 2 a cubed b cubed. Now the last one here, we have to multiply this binomial and this binomial. Let's write this only first. So 2x plus 1 by 2y into, here we have 2x minus 1 by 2y. So first we're going to multiply 2x into this first term, which is 2x. So numbers 2 2s are 4, x into x is x to the power of 2. So this, we are done with this first one. Now we're going to multiply 2x into this minus 1 by 2y. Let's do that here. 2x into minus 1 by 2y. The sign plus into minus is minus. Now we have to multiply 2 into 1 by 2. Let's do it here. 2 into 1 by 2. So here we can cancel the 2. So what we have is only 1. So this is minus 1. And then we have to multiply. What is left there is, we have an x here, so we'll write x as it is, and a y here, so we'll write it as it is. So this is minus 1xy or minus xy. So minus xy. So we finished with 2x. Now we're going to multiply with 1 by 2y. So we are going to multiply the first one, that is 1 by 2y into 2x. So the numbers are 1 by 2 into 2. So the 2's will get cancelled. So we only have 1. So 1, and then we have y and we have an x. So 1yx or simply yx, or we can write it as xy. So that is plus xy. So this part is over. Now we're going to multiply plus 1 by 2y into minus 1 by 2y. So 1 by 2y into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2y. So minus into plus is minus. So the sign is minus. Now we multiply the numbers, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Nothing to cancel. So numerator is 1, 2 2's are 4. So that is 1 by 4. Now the y is y to the power of 1 plus 1 is y to the power of 2. So what do we have there? Minus 1 by 4 y square. Now here we have 4x square. We don't have another x square. So we write it as it is. So this will simply be 4x square. Now here we have a minus xy and plus xy. That is 1, minus 1 and plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this gets cancelled. And then what is left is minus 1 by 4 y square. So this is our final answer, 4x square minus 1 by 4 y square. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.